I accidentally crushed my squishy Purr-maid, so we're gonna need to make a new one, but first,
let's see what we got. Nano tape, some colorful balls, blue slime, pink seashells, and a marker. So we're gonna use this tail as a template and draw the outlines onto the tape. Perfect. Now, let's just add some slime. Now we're gonna add 6 or 7 balls and some seashells.
then cut some more tape,
Clamp it on down.
and cut out our new Purr-maid tail. It's looking pretty good, but we're still missing the cat's head, so I punched it out of its hole and colored some life into the little guy.
I'm alive!
And last but not least, we put the two together and we're left with a sticky, squishy Purr-maid.